It is wonderful to have Dr. Alexander Marx once again here in India, and that also within a short period of 4 to 5 months. Now he is in Chennai. Last time we met him at Pune when he came to visit his customers there. And we are at Alucast 2022 exhibition at Chennai Trade Center, where Frech is the premium partner. You know, they are the major sponsor, and it's a big step for Frech and for Rakesh Ghag, who is heading the Frech in India. So I think Frech is taking a more serious note on how to take up the Indian market. What is your thoughts on this?
Well, generally spoken, we were kind of careful before this exhibition because we were not sure what's going to happen here. We had some pandemic issues some weeks before, and it was not clear whether there's going to be a big visitor stream here or even not. But now, after 2.5 days of this exhibition, we're overwhelmed by what we've discussed, what we have seen, and what kind of technology discussed we really were able to have with the customers. So what can be seen is that there's an incredible increasing demand for high technology. And that's exactly the reason why we said, okay, we want to support this exhibition here, the Alucast. This is the reason we're partnering with them to make this exhibition grow, to set the platform to interact between foundries, technology suppliers, but also the end customers, the product owners. And based on that, out from this exhibition, we're going to go back to Germany. So myself, with a very positive feeling and just a confirmation of the potential of the Indian market there.
That is absolutely amazing to see that, you know, how you were able to get the response. And when we see that, you know, this aluminium casting industry is very, very close family here. And I'm sure that Frech will make the life of the aluminium casters easy.
Yeah, together. It's only possible together. In our opinion, it's a triangular. You have the product owners, you have the foundries, and you have the technology suppliers. Just if all of the three are working together, from the early product ideas to ramp up to serious production, but also to improvement of the serious production, only if all of the three parties are working together, then we can succeed. That's the crucial thing.
And this confidence, what Marx is getting from the Indian market is a great hard work of Rakesh, who heads the Frech in India. So we would like to find out from him, what is it that changed within the last 6 to 1 year, where Frech is having a completely new, confidence in the Indian market?
You see, the Indian die-casting industry is getting automized, organized, and mechanized very quickly. So Frech, being a company not only making machines but right from product development up to the stage where talents can be built up for running the factories. So we see a very big opportunity in India for our equipment and as well as talent management. So looking at the global scenario, many new part developments and EV related components are coming to India. So we believe that we could be a one window contact for the die casters and also the OEMs to serve them in the die casting segment.
So we are also seeing that automation doesn't mean that, you know, we are removing the skill. Automation means that, you know, we need more skills. Yes. The advance the skills to ensure that, you know, the productivity is done on right time. And I'm happy that, you know, Frech, as one of the leading machine builder, is also focusing on this skill.
Yes, absolutely. So we believe that this is the right time for the Indian die-casting industry to take off and become number one in the world. So the next 5 years are going to be very, very crucial for the Indian die-casting industry, where we feel that lots of exports opportunities are coming in. People are moving towards EV. Even in the non-auto sector and the 5G sector, there's a big jump, and we see a very big opportunity for the entire industry to grow together.
It is an encouraging response what we are seeing from the multinationals who are there in India to have confidence in the Indian manufacturers, and we wish Frech all the very best for a great growth in the coming years. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
And all the very best and great food this time from India.
We had already. Thanks a lot. Yeah.
Thanks.